this afternoon.
Brennan. 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 Look at Mama. Look at your Mama. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi.
You're laughing at Mama.
I know, right? What do you think about that?
When do you want to do that be? This afternoon?
You can finish telling your story. Go ahead. Finish telling Mommy your story. I see you. I see you. Come on, I'm dying to know what happens at the end. Finish telling me your story. You're gonna tell me some other time? Yeah? Okay then.